home or something? What the fuck? Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Dad. Today I'm bringing out another reaction video. Now the video is called Fisherman Fall Off the Boat. Fails of the Week by Fail Army, man. If y'all new to this channel, make sure you hit the like, y'all comment, subscribe, things of that nature. With that being said, let's go on directly into the video.
Okay, ready?
I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I ain't been on the swing in so long. I ain't never did that off the swing though. I done did a backflip off the swing and bust my ass before. No, I ain't did that. About 2 times, I think.
Oh my.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, say they gonna beat your ass too, cause how the hell you do that? Them big ass salt particles, man. I know he mad as hell. I know you mad as hell.
What?
Damn, what happened to him? He broke your arm or something? What the fuck?
Yep.
So we have 20 acres of irrigated and then 30 acres. Oh!
What was that?
You got it though, right?
Damn, Tesla. Nah, the car was horned. Try to swing that curve like that, Tesla. Did you just really dive out to that fishing pole? I just heard something vibrating on my phone on my lap. So how the hell was that vibrating?
That's your fault.
Hey, bro, you left the car and drive. Dumb man, little boy. Oh, okay, recovery time. Okay. Ride out from the stupid ass, man. Ride out. Ride out. Ride. Hey, man, he on your ass. Ride. He finna snatch your. Hey, man, he finna press triangle. He finna press triangle. Oh. You on a whole bike. Ride the bike, fool. Man, you don't hit that cop. That's what you get. You know you too damn big to be walking up there anyway.
Hey! What's up? What's up?
And duck.
Oh, you broke your mama countertop. She gonna beat your ass when she get home. You had no business swinging that damn golf cart anyway. I mean, a golf club. In the house. Hey, man, Buddy got a contusion. You might want to take him to the hospital.
Oh my God, everything's really flying around.
Got an earthquake going on? What's going on? Look at Bambi. Look at Bambi. We eating saltine cracker.
Okay, it's scaring me. I got the whole
How's it scaring you? He know it. Where the hell a rat come from? Blow the horn, see if he jump. Turn the windshield wipers on. Turn the windshield. They can't hear me. Turn the windshield wipers on. Yeah, there you go. What kind of damn glass is that? Indestructible? I would have broke that glass. Me, I would. Okay, there you go. How in the hell?
Deine Eltern kommen. Ich habe was gebacken. Kannst du probieren, ob das schmeckt?
Hey man, don't eat that.
Ich hatte das im Kühlschrank.
When it took you forever to pick it up, you can't tell by the texture when you picked it up. What's going on? I ain't gonna speak on this, man. It look like somebody lost a lot of, somebody's village got rained out.
Annika. Annika.
All right, Adeline. So they say that if you give a toddler an egg, they know what to do with it. Yep. Lanny, here you go. Here you go, buddy. There's your egg. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
You're so silly. Oh,
Damn!
Adeline.
Damn, why you think they hit inside his head like that?
It's all over.
That's that racist ass turtle again, ain't it? Y'all hear that?
Hey,
I can hear my heart beating.
call me back.
Ariana, can you please stop? What are you doing? Ariana, please. What are you doing?
What's wrong with the cat?
That sounds traumatizing.
Hey, bro, you know you got a lizard on your head?
You could be.
I'm not traumatized at all.
There's a lizard on your head, buddy. Little butter.
Where is he?
It tried to jump at me.
Nah, y'all done added the Flintstones runaway animation. I mean, sound.
Hey, would you stop it, Spider? I'll smash you!
Smash him.
Smash you. Hey, calm down.
That is a nice ass neighborhood you living in, young fella.
There's a spider on the door right here. I can't get it with my foot. Did you know there's another nut inside? Look, no, there's a spider on the door. I just don't understand. Spider?
There's another what?
That was the end of this video. If you liked it, enjoyed it, anything of that nature, I would highly suggest you leave a like, you comment, subscribe. With that being said, I'm gonna holler at you later.